Welcome to Response AI Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new ad hoc survey using general and standard question constructs. From the Projects page, click the Add a New Project button in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. Since we are not using a template, select Create New Project. Give your project a name. After you have named your project, you will be taken to the questionnaire builder. To start adding question constructs, navigate to the panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains a library of constructs. Custom constructs are those created by members of your organization. Standard constructs are question and answer formulations that Response AI has created over time for different use cases. Many demographic questions, as well as other common survey questions, can be found in the standard specification. Use the search function to find constructs based on keywords. Alternatively, you can use the Tags drop-down menu to filter questions by their associated tags. Let's add a few questions from Standard to start. General constructs are not completely formulated, but are meant to serve as a starting point for a custom question. For example, if you want to add a single select construct with yes, no, don't know responses included, select G yes, no, don't know to drag into the questionnaire. Now you will need to add question text. If you want to add additional response options to yes, no, and don't know, create an attached list for this general construct. You can find more information about lists in our list creation tutorial. A final option for adding new questions is the Add Question button between the Construct panel and Questionnaire. In the pop-up window, you can sort the questions by library or create new. When creating new, you will see several question types. Find the question you want to add and click Add Question. Now we can finalize the formulation and response list. All changes made in the platform are saved automatically, so when you are finished working on your current session, you can simply select the Back button and your project will be visible in the Projects page. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for easy access to all the resources you need to make your next survey with Response AI a success.